off the graph. Moving and shaking, losing and faking, talking and drinking and big money making. Well, he rolled into Asheville town and they called him by plant to the school of higher learning. Lord, now you know that's where he went. He said, well, I ain't got no town for the school of such a boy. I want to strike it rich and now weekly trips there to the shore. Gas went up, he left town on a look around, searching for that big fish from way down deep in the ground. Moving, shaking, losing and faking, talking and drinking and big money making. Roll on. Wheeler dealer out in Searcy, Arkansas. He's off to strike it rich now. He knows he's on a roll. Royalties in Wall Street, well, they told him was the plan. Feeling like an easy street, but still working for the man. On the top shelf there, Shivers is the brand. If you strike it rich like me, son, go on and get one.